Welcome to our IMI channel King. Today discuss the topic in Telangana Inter first year Maths 1B blueprint as per new syllabus. Number of chapters 10. First chapter locus, weightage marks 4 marks. Second chapter transformation of axis, weightage marks 4. Third chapter straight lines, weightage marks 12. Fourth chapter pair of straight lines, weightage marks 8 marks. Fifth chapter 3D geometry, weightage marks only 2 marks. Sixth chapter direction cosines and direction ratios, weightage marks 8 marks. Seventh chapter the plane, 2 marks. Limits and continuity, weightage marks 8 marks. Ninth chapter derivatives, weightage marks 16 marks. Last chapter application of derivatives, weightage marks is 12. Thank you for watching my videos.